Hello everyone, so this is for you that want to get rid of black hairs. You want to remove pimples, stubborn pimples. You want to remove dark spots. Just continue watching this video because this you're seeing here will help you greatly. So in case you're new here for the first time, you're so welcome. I share skincare tips, natural skincare that will help to revive your skin, that will help to give you the best. Mostly anti-aging. So consider subscribing, like this video. Okay, please do not forget to like this video, and there's a bell beside the subscribe button. Turn it on so that whenever I upload videos you get to see and come and watch. All right, so just feel free to go through my videos. You will see lots and lots of them that will keep your skin looking more firmer, younger, glowing and clearer without wasting time. I made this of sugar. Yes, you have to get sugar, and that is because sugar is one of the secrets of achieving a clear, glowing skin. It exfoliates the skin to get rid of dead skin cells, and the results will give you a bright, uniform skin that glows. It also helps to minimize acne and pimples, but in case you don't have it already, you can use it to firm your skin to look younger. Thanks to the alpha hydroxy acid in sugar, a very mild acid, friendly for the skin, even if you have sensitive skin, that will keep your skin looking the best. Thank me later. So the next one I added is aloe vera. Yes, you can make use of any cosmetic type of aloe vera gel or the plants, the natural plant aloe vera. So aloe vera will help to repair your skin. Like if your skin is damaged, if you have a damaged skin due to applying wrong skincare products, or maybe you are always exposing your skin in the sunlight, you have to make use of this. Aloe vera will help to repair your skin, to prevent your skin from harmful radicals like sunburn, wrinkles, because when you're always exposing your skin to sun, you are likely to develop premature wrinkles if you are not using sunscreen. Like aloe vera does a lot. Just try to get it. So the next one is baking soda. Do not joke with baking soda because it's very important. So because of those that have sensitive skin, I will tell you how to make use of this baking soda so that it will not be harsh for you. Baking soda will help to exfoliate your skin. If you have blackheads, it will help to clear it out. If you have pimples, it gets rid of it. Thanks to the antibacterial properties in it that helps greatly to get rid of those germs, bacteria on the surface of your skin and even inside the skin. Like it penetrates and drags it out, and you will have a clearer, better skin. You will love it. So another one is baby oil. If you do not have baby oil, you can make use of Vaseline. Okay, so this is the moisturizer here, and I'm going to tell you how to add it if you have sensitive skin. So this is the time to tell you the measurements. Okay, so you have to measure properly, like rightly, so that you get effective results. So what I did, I added 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, then you have to add half teaspoon. Please, half teaspoon is enough of baking soda. Then for the aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon is enough. Just okay. So all you have to do is just to mix and mix. If you mix it, it may turn watery because of the aloe vera gel. Sometimes cosmetic type of aloe vera turns liquid when you add it into other ingredients, and that is how it is. So what you have to do, if it's still watery, you can decide to increase the quantity of sugar. Okay, so mine is a little separating. The liquid is at the top and the sugar is, but I'm going to mix it. Okay, so for those that have sensitive skin, just continue washing. I will tell you what to do so that this will not irritate your skin. Like I said earlier, baking soda can be a little like harsh, not so harsh. Okay, it will not turn your face to red if you have sensitive skin. Okay, so before applying this remedy, I'm going to wash. Like you have to remove all makeups and dust. Ensure you are makeup free, no dust on your face, so that this treatment will penetrate well and work better. I don't have makeup, but I'm just like trying to show you how it's done. Please, I'm making use of a wipes because my face is not dirty, but try to damp your face or wash it using a a mild cleanser or a gentle soap, then before you apply this treatment, so that it can penetrate and work better. So I will just go on and apply it. I have an oily skin, so I'm just free to just do whatever I like with baking soda. So you can thicken this if you want. Just reduce the quantity of aloe vera gel, or increase the quantity of sugar and baking soda, so that it can thicken up and form a scrub. So this is just like a toner, or you can call it a mask, because it's not thick. So apply it all over your face. Just go on. Yeah, just make sure you follow the instructions to get better results. So if you have large open pores, you have blackheads, you have pimples, irritating pores, please try to make use of this treatment. So I'm going to leave it on to dry for about 5-10 minutes and I'll be right back. So but in case you have sensitive skin, just do a patch test, like apply somewhere else around your body. If it did not irritate, you can go on and apply it on the face. So I'm going to leave it on for some time. I normally leave it on for 10 minutes because I have oily skin, but you can leave it on more than that or lesser, depending on how you are feeling. So after that, after washing it out, I'll be right back. So I just rinse it out. Okay, so this is the time for you to apply a light moisturizer. If you don't have a specific moisturizer, I have a very good skincare product for you, Pami Skincare, that I made myself, like purely natural. You will love it. No side effects. I ship worldwide, like inside the country. DHL deliver to your doorstep if you want. We also have good supplements, like check them out. You will surely love it. Contact through that WhatsApp or call, and I'll give you the best. So after applying this treatment, follow with a light moisturizer, or you just make use of some gentle penetrating oils so that your skin will not be dried out. After applying a facial mask or facial scrub, please try to moisturize your skin with the right skincare products, and you love it. So you can use sunflower oil, you can use vitamin E oil, you can also use rosehip oil, you can also use argan oil. These oils are very light, to not clog your pores, and very penetrating. Apply and leave it on as I said, okay, and rinse it out. After that, make use of this treatment 3 times weekly, and you will love the skin. Like after washing it out from the first use, you will notice how smooth your skin will get. Like it will just fall in love. So moisturize your skin. Also the time for you to apply Vaseline. For those that have sensitive skin, apply Vaseline to reduce the effect of baking soda. But there is no harm. If you apply it, you will see it for yourself, because the aloe vera gel is there. Okay, if you don't use Vaseline, you can make use of baby oil. Alright, so that is it for now. If you want to make it a scrub, just thicken it by adding more of sugar. Reduce the liquid ingredients and increase more of the solvents, like the solids. Okay, alright, so that is it for now. Get clearer skin, get younger skin, get a beautiful glowing skin using this recipe, and you love it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.